Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia X10 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the option display. Let's enter. And now let's find the screen timeout option, which is right here, as you can see in this second section, lock display. So let's tap on it, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. We can set either 15 or 30 seconds, which are quite short, and as you can see we've got the 30 seconds option applied, but we can set 1, 2, 5, 10 or even 30 minutes, half an hour, so that's quite a lot of time. Here we've got also the option screen attention, which prevents your screen from turning off if you're looking at it. So you can turn it on just by tapping on the switch, or you can turn it off also the same way. And if you'd like to change the screen timeout, just tap on the time you'd like to use. So I'll pick 10 minutes. As you can see, it is immediately marked, and after getting back, you can see that it is also notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Nokia X10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.